If your site, your website, isn't showing up in Perplexity, Claude, Gemini, or even ChatGPT, you're leaking traffic, my friend. And if you're an e-commerce store or a business, you're also losing buyers that you did not even know existed.
Bye-bye.
So in this video, I'm going to show you 5 steps to fix it very fast for you to appear in these AI search engines. Plus, I'm going to give you a ninja move to make AI prioritize your content almost overnight. This is the Marketing Nerds Podcast, and it starts right now.
1 nerd, 2 nerds, 3 nerds, 4 marketing nerds do so much more. Over hill and high where the nerd buggies go. Come along and bring you the Marketing Nerd Show. La 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 la.
Welcome to the Marketing Nerds Podcast. My name is Brian. Where big ideas come in small, powerful doses. I don't give you any fluff, no filler, just straight up, clear as day strategies that you can use today to grow smarter, to increase customers in your business, to be faster, efficient, and of course, louder. I'm Brian from marketingnerds.ai. Thanks for watching my channel. And if you, my friend, are still treating Google like it's the only game in town, wake up, dude. You're way far behind. AI search is replacing traditional search. I mean, let's get real. You use it, I use it, they use it, everybody uses it. Tools like Perplexity, Claude, Gemini, ChatGPT, they're all surfacing your site only if you play by their rules. So in this video, again, we're going to show you exactly how to get listed. And in a nutshell, it's really, really simple. If you are answering questions, you are winning. So let's go through this step by step. All right, so step 1, this is really simple. Again, think FAQ, frequently asked questions. Do all of your content in this style. Number 1 is make AI-Lovable content. That's it. Make AI-Lovable content. Think FAQ style. Clear questions, direct answers. For example, for a client, where can I find remote video editor jobs in 2025? Do some content created on that topic, and you will appear in AI search. Use H1s for the question, a short paragraph answer, bullet points, and data underneath. Really that simple. Okay, step 2. Steal the, my writing is so bad. Steal the snippet. You know Google's featured snippets, right? They often become AI answers. And to win, make your main question a headline. Give the answer right away and follow with stats or a table. Give it exactly what it's looking for, exactly what it wants. That is a sure win. All right, number 3, add schema markup. Let me write this down. 3, add schema markup. And my writing is so horrible. You really need to structure your data. Otherwise, AI is going to skip you. Use FAQ schema, article schema, how-to schema. We're going to put all of these tips to these tools that I'm talking about right in the comments, so check it out. All right, let's get to number 4. Really simple. Oh, I'm way down there. Get cited. Get cited, not just indexed. AI trusts what the internet trusts. So post in niche forums like Reddit, Quora, get backlinks from Medium or even guest blogs, and be mentioned, not just live. Mentions get surfaced. Ghost sites don't. Sorry for my thing here. Number 5, test and tweak. Wow, that's really sad. Can't even see that. Test and tweak. So if you've done these steps, good. Now run your own questions in Perplexity and ChatGPT. Use Google Search Console to check impressions if it's not working. Simply adapt and keep in mind, it wants to answer questions. This is a loop. Okay, so here's my bonus ninja move that I promised. For you to appear in AI literally overnight, and I'm not just going to say that you do one thing and all of a sudden you appear. You kind of have to keep your eyes on this, and you could appear overnight, is to do this one simple thing. Create a single clear page titled, "What is your brand and how does it help?" For example, what is marketingnerds.ai and how does it help? And this becomes your anchor answer. AI pulls from it directly when users ask. Go ahead and try it. Go ahead and try it right now. And if it's not appearing, create that page with that question so it immediately gets indexed by these AI tools. Change the headline a little bit. Wait 72 hours and then test again, and you'll see the difference in real time. You really will. Now, if this has helped you get even one step ahead, and I'm sure it has, because frankly, I don't even know why I told you this. This is like secret stuff. Hit that like button so the algorithm spreads it. Subscribe to my channel. That would be really cool of you. All right. That's your hit of marketing wisdom for the day. If it made you think, act, or plan differently, share it with a fellow nerd. And be sure to subscribe for more bite-sized brilliance. And join in the fun, as always, at marketingnerds.ai. Till next time, stay sharp, stay scrappy, and just keep being a nerd.
Does all of this sound complicated? Visit marketingnerds.ai to set up some time to talk and let us help.